I would like to address the whole international community and those who believe in peace and justice for the nation's pride, for the national identity, and all those communities who believe in nation's freedom. We, the people of Jammu and Kashmir, want to tell through this huge public gathering that we are divided since 8 decades by the India and Pakistan through this blooded line. Some oppressors like India and Pakistan called it LOC. But for us, it's not LOC. It's a line of blood. It's a line of blood which divided the families, which divided the blood relations, mothers, daughters, and the sisters by force. And it is not our choice. It is imposed on us by India and Pakistan. And both were fighting since 78 years. And in result, both sides of ceasefire line suffers. That is why the reason the people of Jammu and Kashmir want a peaceful solution and only liable and just solution of this long-lasting issue of Jammu and Kashmir is through the withdrawal from Jammu and Kashmir from all occupying forces. Yassin Malak and his party, Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front, demands complete independence politically